Hi, this is Benny Low again. On this video, I'm demonstrating more complicated examples on graphing linear equations. So as you can see on the page here, the first example I have is to ask you to graph 2x minus y equal to 1. I think it's really helpful. Before I show you the complete solution, you pause the video, you try to graph it on your own. Right? Give yourself like 5 to 10 minutes. Try to do it on your own, and then come back to the video to compare to my solution. So please pause the video. You'll be of great benefit for you. Alright, have you tried it? I'm back now. So let me try to show you the solution. I hope you had a chance to graph it on your own. If you did not do so, you may want to watch my solution and then pause the video and then redo it. Alright, it'll be helpful for you to repeat it. Do it repeatedly. So the first thing is to put it in the right format. Remember, you need to recall y equal to mx plus b. Let me box it here. This is so essential that I urge you to commit this to memory. Y equal mx plus b. The slope-intercept form. M for slope or the steepness, and b for the y-intercept. I'll explain as I move along. So put it in the right format. You have minus y here. I bring it to the other side. So I have 2x equal to y. Remember, when I move one variable or one piece from the left to the right, it becomes positive. And move the 1 to the other side, so minus 1. It's customary to write the y on the left hand side. So y equal to 2x minus 1. So let me use this example to demonstrate what I mean by the slope. I have 2 here, so I have 2 over 1 as a slope, rise over 1, and the y-intercept is minus 1. Right? Let me draw the Cartesian plane. I'm going to do a sketch for you. Y is the vertical axis, x is the horizontal, 0 in the middle, the origin. So I have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and so on, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then same thing on the horizontal axis, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and so on. Alright? So I have marked the y-intercept, minus 1 here, mark it here, and the slope is 2. So from the y-intercept, move up 2 units, 1, 2, move to the right by 1, keep going, move up 2 units, move to the right by 1, or you can do this, or minus 2 over minus 1. 2 over 1 the same as minus 2 over minus 1, right? So you may solve from the y-intercept minus 1 and move down 2 units, 1, 2, and move to the left by 1, and so on, right? So you connect all the dots, then you have the required straight line, y equal to 2x minus 1. Let me bring to your attention, from left to right, you usually read the graph from left to right. Look at the orientation. It's moving upward, right? Going uphill. Because the slope here is 2, but positive 2. The y-intercept is negative. That means, right here, I label it. This is 0, 1. And I may want to show you the x-intercept. So right there, right? How do you solve for the x-intercept? The x-intercept is a line where the graph intersects the horizontal axis. So y is 0. So set y to be 0. If y is 0, what do you have? So when y is 0, you have 0 equal to 2x minus 1. Then you can solve for x. Bring the minus 1 to the other side. 1 here, 2x. And then x is equal to 1/2. So that means the x-intercept is 1/2, 0. So if you look back to my graph, roughly, right? This is a rough sketch. So it may not look like exactly 1/2, but you get the idea. It's 1/2, 0 here. That's the x-intercept. The y-intercept is here, 0, 1. So that's my first example. Now on the second example, take a look. I have y, 1/2 x minus y equal to 0. So once again, I urge you strongly to pause the video for now. Try to do this on your own. Give yourself 7-8 minutes, try to graph it. Alright, I'm back now. Have you tried to do it yourself? If not, try to watch it again and repeat it. Right? Watch my video and try to repeat it. So this is pretty simple. I can bring the minus y to the other side, so 1/2 x equal to y. And so this is already in the slope-intercept form. Y equal to 1/2 x plus 0. That means the y-intercept is 0, the origin. The slope is 1/2. So let me try to sketch it real fast for you. Draw the Cartesian plane. The origin is here, and then mark it there. The slope is 1/2. So I simply go up 1 unit, move the right by 2. Go up 1 unit, move the right by 2 as a rough sketch. Or you may go down, right? You may go down 1 unit, move to the left by 2. Why? Because 1/2 the same minus 1 over minus 2. So let me repeat that. From the origin, you can go down 1 units, move to the left by 2. So you connect all the dots. You have 4 points. You connect all the dots. What do you have? So you have y equal to 1/2 x. In this case, the origin is both the x and y-intercept. Alright? So let me end the video by doing one more example. Graph 2y minus 1 equal to 2x. Now before you do anything, as before, I want to ask you to try it on your own. So pause the video and then come back to watch the solution. I'm back now. Have you done it yourself? So put it in the right format. Put in the y equal to mx plus b. So keep the 2y on the left hand side. So 2y equal to 2x plus 1. Bring the minus 1 over to the other side. Become positive. So you have 2 here. So how do you get rid of the 2? You have divide both sides by 2. You have y equal to 2 over 2 is 1. So x plus 1/2. Alright? So the slope here is just 1x or 1 over 1. And the y-intercept is 1/2. So let me try to sketch it for you real fast. 1/2, you label here. This is 1, this is 2. So 1/2 is about here. The slope is 1 over 1. So you may go up 1, move the right, right by 1. So go up 1, move the right by 1, and so on. Or you can go down 1 unit and move the left by 1 unit. So you have a whole bunch of dots, 4 points. So there you go. You have y equal to x plus 1/2. Alright? If for any reason the slope is negative, like -1, you will have a different line. The line will be moving downward. Because this is positive, the slope is positive, you have an upward slope. So from left to right is rising, going up. Alright? But on the other hand, you will have like minus x. Well, just as a contrast, let me do that for you real fast. So if for some reason the line is y equal to minus x plus 1/2, how will you graph this? So in this case, do the xy plane. 1/2 is right here. The slope here is now is minus 1 over 1. So you go down 1 unit because minus 1, move to the right by 1, go down 1, move to the right by 1, or you may go up 1, move to the left by 1. Why? Because minus 1 over 1 the same as 1 over minus 1. Right? Let me repeat it. So from the y-intercept 1/2, you can go up 1, move to the left by 1 unit. Alright, and so on. So you connect all the dots. From left to right, the line is moving downward because it's a negative slope. You have y equal to minus x plus 1/2. So when the slope is negative, the line is downward, like downhill ski. When the slope is positive, like in this case, from left to right is upward. So I have shown you 3 or 4 solutions now. I hope that you will try to repeat the solution on your own. Without looking at my solution, try to turn off the video, try to do it on your own to see whether you get the same answer. Okay, good luck to you. Give me some comments and feedback, and I will produce more videos to meet your need. Okay, have a good day.